We are Science Interactive. As your lab partner, we bring hands-on experiments to wherever your students are. We make it easy for you to reach more students and provide them with authentic lab experiences. Created by PhD scientists for science instructors, our lab curriculum is designed with academic rigor to meet Quality Matters standards. With over 450 interactive lab experiments across 11 science disciplines, our lessons provide engaging experiences that complement your course curriculum. By partnering with institutions and instructors, we enable students to access hands-on lab experiments whenever they want, from wherever they are. We provide personalized support to help you every step of the way. Our lessons are designed with student safety in mind. Every lab kit includes all necessary PPE to complete course curriculum safely. Instructors can easily customize lab lessons, track student progress, and provide feedback through our online platform that integrates with your LMS. Sometimes, there's just no substitute for the physical lab experience to ignite a student's love for science and discovery, whatever their field of study. Science Interactive. We don't just elevate what you learn, but how you learn.